The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE Fan Edition follows Samsung's philosophy of bringing flagship-level features to a more affordable price point. Here's a detailed review of the phone, covering its design, performance, display, camera, and more. Design and build. The Galaxy S24 FE carries forward Samsung's minimalist design approach, closely resembling its flagship siblings, the Galaxy S24 series. It features a glass front, plastic back, and aluminum frame, striking a good balance between durability and weight. This plastic back might not feel as premium as glass, but it significantly reduces the phone's weight, making it more comfortable for everyday use. The overall build is IP68 rated, meaning it's water and dust resistant, so you don't need to worry about accidental spills or drops into water. The design has a clean, modern look with a triple camera setup that sits flush against the back of the phone, eliminating any noticeable camera bump. Samsung offers the phone in a variety of bold colors, such as graphite, lavender, and olive, which add a fun, playful touch to its otherwise sophisticated appearance. Display. The 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is one of the major highlights of the Galaxy S24 FE. With a 1080x2340 resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, it delivers a crisp, vibrant, and fluid visual experience. The AMOLED panel ensures rich blacks, high contrast, and punchy colors, making it perfect for consuming content like videos, games, and social media. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and gaming buttery smooth, providing an overall premium feel, especially in this price bracket. The display is also HDR10 certified, enhancing the viewing experience for streaming HDR content. Whether you're watching YouTube or Netflix, the colors are rich and dynamic. The brightness levels are sufficient for outdoor use, even in direct sunlight, with a peak brightness of up to 1450 nits. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 FE is powered by either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in markets like the US or the Exynos 2200 chipset in Europe and Asia, depending on the region. Both chipsets offer impressive performance for a mid-range device. While the Snapdragon version is known for slightly better efficiency, both chips perform admirably across a variety of tasks. In day-to-day use, the phone handles multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps smoothly. Apps load quickly, and switching between them is seamless thanks to the 8 GB of RAM. The S24 FE also manages graphic-intensive games like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact with ease, although you might notice a slight performance dip on maximum settings for the heaviest titles. The phone is offered with 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage, and while there's no micro SD slot for expandable storage, the internal storage should suffice for most users who rely on cloud storage for backups. Camera. The Galaxy S24 FE features a triple camera setup on the back consisting of a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Here's a breakdown of its camera performance. Primary camera 50-megapixel. The main sensor captures bright, detailed photos in daylight conditions with excellent dynamic range. Samsung's image processing ensures that colors are punchy, though some might find them slightly oversaturated. The primary camera performs well in low-light conditions too, thanks to night mode, which brightens up dark scenes while maintaining a good level of detail without too much noise. Ultra-wide camera 12-megapixel. The ultra-wide lens is useful for capturing landscapes or group photos with minimal distortion around the edges. It doesn't offer the same level of detail as the main sensor but is adequate for casual wide-angle shots. Telephoto camera 8-megapixel. The 3x optical zoom is a welcome addition in the mid-range segment. It performs well for zoom shots, maintaining sharpness and clarity without relying too much on digital zoom. Battery life. The Galaxy S24 FE is powered by a 4500 mAh battery, which, combined with the efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Exynos 2200 chipset, provides excellent battery life. In everyday use, the phone easily lasts a full day with mixed usage, including social media, gaming, and media consumption. For heavy users who might game or stream video for extended periods, the phone still holds up well, requiring a top-up toward the evening. Samsung has also optimized its adaptive power-saving features in One UI 6, ensuring that background apps don't consume excessive battery power. The phone supports 25W wired fast charging, which is decent but not groundbreaking, considering some competitors offer faster charging speeds. With the 25W charger, the phone can go from 0 to 50% in around 30 minutes. There's also support for 15W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge accessories like the Galaxy Buds on the back of the phone. Software and features. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE runs One UI 6 on top of Android 14, offering one of the most polished and feature-rich Android experiences available. One UI is highly customizable, offering users the ability to tweak their home screen layouts, icons, and system themes. Samsung's Edge panel continues to be useful for quick access to apps and tools, and the always-on display is customizable with plenty of clock styles, widgets, and notifications. Samsung also includes useful features like Samsung Pay, SmartThings, and Bixby, although Google Assistant remains the go-to digital assistant for most users. Security features include Samsung Knox for enhanced data protection, as well as an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is fast and accurate. Face recognition is also available, although it's less secure as it's based on 2D image processing. Samsung is committed to long-term software support, offering 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, making the S24 FE a future-proof investment. Connectivity. As expected from a modern smartphone, the Galaxy S24 FE supports 5G, ensuring that users have access to high-speed data in areas where 5G networks are available. The phone also includes Wi-Fi 6, which offers faster internet speeds and improved connection stability on compatible routers. Additionally, it has Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and reliable wireless connections with other devices. NFC is also available for contactless payments and quick data sharing. Price and availability. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is positioned as an affordable alternative to the flagship Galaxy S24 series, with a price range of around $599 to $699, depending on the storage variant. It's available in multiple markets worldwide and is seen as an attractive option for users who want flagship features without paying a premium price. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE strikes a great balance between price, performance, and features, making it an appealing choice in the mid-range smartphone market. With its vibrant AMOLED display, versatile camera setup, and solid performance, it delivers a near-flagship experience without the hefty price tag. While some users might miss features like faster charging or a glass back, the S24 FE is a well-rounded device that offers excellent value for money. For those seeking a reliable, premium-feeling phone without breaking the bank, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is an excellent option that competes with higher-priced phones while staying accessible to a broader audience.